Well, hello and welcome back, everybody. So here I have the LCD 1602 nodule. Now the top thing is ground, and then it's VCC, SDA, and SCL. SDA is serial data, and SCL is serial. Now this is the Lavin Arduino clone control board. This control board allows you to connect multiple objects like the LCD 1602. Now, the ground connects to the ground port on your Arduino, and the VCC connects to the 5-volt connector. SDA connects to A4, and SCL connects to A5, allowing you to use them as an analog port. Now that you have everything plugged in, you can actually plug in your Arduino to your computer, allowing you to program it. This is an example code from a GitHub repository. The link will be down in the description. Just gonna verify the code here, and as you can see, it starts up the LCD screen with lcd.begin, and then it enables the blinking function. And it checks if it's blinking, it clears the LCD, prints out no cursor blinking, and tells the cursor not to blink. And then down here it clears the LCD and starts it blinking. As you can see, the background is flashing because the thing's blinking, I think. Now that we're in the basic code of the hello world function, as you can see, it says LCD begin, sets the backlight true, and prints hello world. Now in this loop function, this is where you would put your code to do your print. Just keep in mind, if you want to clear it out, you're gonna have to set a longer delay function to it so it can have the display on long enough so it doesn't flicker and blink. I will show you here. You do need to worry about the artifacting that comes from not clearing out the screen. It just wraps over.